Good day, sir. This is from BSCPE 4A Group 7, and our research is remote-controlled lawn mower using Android application. Based on our Gantt chart, we are expected to comply these following activities: the planning and design, the preparation of materials, and the making of prototype. And since the materials are not completed because others were not available in our place, so we ordered it online. We don't want to waste time, so we started our software development. We created the GUI of our application in MIT App Inventor. We created blocks for the icons that are necessary for our application to control the lawn mower. So here we have tested our application GUI in an Android cell phone. As soon as you start the application, you can see the necessary controls needed to operate the lawn mower. We have here an indicator when an obstacle is detected. The user can click the battery icon to know the capacity, health, and its status. At the center is the Bluetooth icon where you can connect the cell phone to the lawn mower device, and it will indicate if it is connected or not. And then next we have speed, where you can control the car speed and the blade speed. In the car speed, you can control how fast you want the car to move, and the blade speed for efficient grass cutting. Then we have the controls for the movement of the lawn mower, whether to move forward, backward, turn left, turn right, or stop the operation. And here is our partial code to connect the lawn mower to the Android phone via Bluetooth. As of now, we are waiting for the materials that we ordered online to start building the prototype. That's all. Thank you, sir.